Welding is the art or craft of actually joining metals together through a process of heating and allowing that metal to flow from one component to another. Welding truly is an art form. Someone that would find an interest in welding would be someone that loves art, wants to create something out of brass or bronze. We have many students that are currently employed as welders, machinists, fabricators, and quite a few students that are looking to gain entry-level employment. Students are welding projects, constantly receiving feedback and interaction with the instructor on a variety of equipment that is found throughout the industry that they would be expected to run and use on the job, either as a maintenance worker or as a full-time welder. We will never not need welders in the United States. There's always going to be employment opportunities, so the variety is there if somebody's looking for an exciting and challenging career. Welding program at the College of Lake County is a certificate program comprised of certificates in general welding, TIG welding, MIG welding, and arc or stick welding. To say that you're a welder, to be able to put metal together to create anything at any point in time is just a really cool occupation, and it's a cool craft or trade to learn. The CNC program at the College of Lake County teaches people how to be machinists. Gives them the skills, gives them the background, gives them the understanding of how to make components. They're found in the automotive industry, the aerospace industry, the mining industry, the gas and turbine industry. The career pathway is tremendous in this field. A typical student that would be interested in this type of program would really be very artistic, very creative. They would love working with their hands. Any of the local employers are using the same equipment that we teach on, so we have very state-of-the-art, very relevant and current equipment that they can find all throughout the industry. Students enjoy the hands-on time the most. They can't wait to get out into the lab, apply those skills, run the equipment, and most often we find it's hard to get them out of the lab and run them off at the end of class. Students typically can earn certificates and or an associate degree in the program. I typically receive 1 to 2 phone calls per week from local employers. They're in dire need of CNC machinists, anywhere from the entry-level skills all the way up to advanced skills. So the employers are out there, the jobs are abundant, the pay scale is very, very good in the local area, and they can earn a very good wage and self-sustaining wage to take care of themselves and or their families.
Overall, the job outlook is really good in engineering, as it is in most STEM fields. They're expected to continue growing as technology becomes integrated in all of our everyday lives.
There's a lot of great technology available to students, like 3D printers for engineering,
oscilloscope, the frequency generator, and really just test a whole bunch of aspects of a circuit.
stuff you'd find normally at a four-year university.
One of the great benefits of CLC is the multiple services that it has for its students. For example, I'm a tutor at the Math Center. It is a great opportunity for them to come and get help from us.
Our faculty are readily available for helping students. Faculty at CLC are really focused on instruction. They don't do research, we're here to teach.
So at CLC there's a lot smaller classes compared to U of I. I know some of the entry-level courses are huge lectures at U of I. Here I get to work with the professors directly.
Our HET program is designed to teach the students anything dealing with heating, cooling, ventilation, or air conditioning. We have high school students coming in, and we have people coming into our program to change careers. They will start out with very basic circuits, working with series and parallel type circuits, and then work up into a complete heating, cooling system. The skills they can build up and lead into can be anywhere from very basic, from working on houses, to working in industrial buildings. We have very high-tech equipment, from high-efficiency heating and cooling units, wireless digital type controls, so they're getting hands-on experience as they would find in the field. What they love about our program is the hands-on portions of it. Not many schools in the country have what we have here. One of the greatest things about the HVAC program is that it's a growing field. People can come in the field and expect to leave with the skills to be able to make an income that can take care of family. Our tuition is extremely low, and most of our instructors have over 20 years in experience. The way our program is built is that we have stackable certificates, and each one of those certificates will step right into an AAS degree. If I could say one word about this career, and it would be life-changing.
Anything mechanical related, we get to play with it.
Making things run, learning how they run, learning how to make them run.
Every new project is a new challenge.
This is a perfect job for me.
I like the fact that you can actually get your hands dirty and work on stuff.
I would like to define mechatronics as a broad combination of electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, controls, and software programming.
Electrical, mechanical, hydraulics, and pneumatics.
Includes motors, sensors, electronics, computers.
The mechatronics program began because there is such a demand for these high-skilled jobs.
Companies are begging to the schools, we need people coming out of this program.
We're going to be picked up like as fast as we come out.
Our program is funded by the United States Department of Labor, and their goal, as ours, is to get people back to work.
There are literally hundreds of thousands of jobs available for those in mechatronics.
All manufacturing is mechatronics nowadays.
Robotics, military defense and forensics,
Packaging, manufacturing, pharmaceutical.
shipping and receiving, postal work to automotive.
Mechatronic jobs are actually everywhere in the entire world.
I do enjoy the fact that this is a one-year program. That was one of the things that convinced me to come here.
The year time span for the certificate was very appealing to me because I just don't have a lot of time in my life.
You're going to get a one-year short-term certificate together with other nationally recognized certifications.
Manufacturing Skill Council certifications, a Siemens certification.
Different schools offer mechanical programs, electrical programs, but this is the only program which combines all the fields.
Most of the jobs I saw that I applied for were asking for not just electrical skills, but pneumatics and PLCs and hydraulics.
This is a very challenging program, but I always tell my students nothing good comes easy.
It's a challenging field for people, but I think if you have the right skill sets.
Every lab is actually get to work, roll your sleeves up.
Being able to work with your hands and kind of working with those different machines.
Students get exposure to the actual industry level equipment.
DC and AC trainers, mechanical vibration trainers, fluid power trainers, programmable logic controllers, and robotics.
How to set up a belt drive system, how to set up a chain drive system.
We use the computer a lot to do a lot of virtual work.
The jobs in mechatronics mainly are electrical maintenance technician and mechanical maintenance technician.
They can set up the robots, they can troubleshoot the robots.
Starting salary for a mechatronics career is about $50,000.
It can jump up to $100,000.
I'm very confident with what we're being taught and the ability to take it out into the real world and use it.
To open doors that were previously closed to me.
I plan on getting a job in more of automation work.
A computer designer for models of new parts.
Possibly defense contracting.
One day be like Iron Man in a basement.
It's a very, very strong career to get involved in, and it will definitely be around for a while.
Companies are going to rely more and more on people with these skill sets because that is where this industry is going.
I think the skills that I learned here has helped me tremendously. I'm grateful.
If you are looking for a good job and to have a good future, you should join this program, and definitely there is a career there for you.